All right, welcome Saber fans. This is the new SK Rogue Apprentice, or sometimes people will call it the Starkiller. Let me show you how this thing functions here.
Young Ray. Lord Vader.
The old man's gonna knock on the...
Luke Skywalker.
Kylo Ren.
Scene C.
TFU Starkiller.
Vader's assassin.
Young Ray. Lord Vader.
The old man's gonna knock on the sky. Listen to the sound.
Luke Skywalker.
Kylo Ren.
The unstable blade looks beautiful.
Scene C.
I really do like this color. You don't really get to see this color that often on a saber. I know it's not 100% canon, but it sure looks cool. This one's yellow. Yellow! Love the color of the gem. That's just incredible. I don't know whether you call this Another purple or pink. Looks cool. Again, this shows the blade battery status. So right now it looks like it's a full charge. So that's kind of cool. I like that.
TFU Starkiller.
And we're back to the beginning. This is a beautiful saber. I love how it's installed. It's also nicely weathered and beautiful. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Talk to you soon.